welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to install PyCharm in your desktop. So open your Chrome browser and search PyCharm. You will see the official link of PyCharm, which is developed by JetBrains. So click the first link you see. This is the official page of PyCharm. You can see download option in the upper right corner. Click on that. Here you can download it according to your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. Below that you can see this professional and community version. Professional version is paid version, so it is better to go with community version. So click on download. After clicking on download, you can see it is downloading in left below corner. If not, you can click the download button in the upper right corner. Wait till it download. After downloading, click on the downloaded file. The PyCharm window will appear and just next. This is the default path of PyCharm program files where to be stored. So click, I will set the default only and click next. Here you can see you want a shortcut or not. I want it, so I will check the box. Update the context menu, yes. Create the association with JetBrains. This means your program files will be associated with JetBrains, so it is better to not to check this box and just click next and install. It will take some time to install. Till then, wait. After completing the installing, check this box, run PyCharm Community Edition. This will run when you will click finish. While you are running first time PyCharm on your PC, it will take some time to load. So be patient. After opening, it will ask do you import the settings or not. Simply click let it be. Don't import the settings. Click OK. This is PyCharm Community Edition 2021.1. This is the latest version. I will put the link in the description so you can download it easily. Here a PyCharm application has opened. Here you can see open a new project, open and get from VCS. So I will click on new project. Here you can see you have to name your project file. So I will keep it simple and give it a name hello and simply click on create. I have already created an hello project, so it was asking to reopen it. It is opening that file only. it shows the tip of the day. Sometimes these tips are very much useful. You must read this. Here I will click on project. This is my project that I have created, hello world, and this is my project file. I have write some code here, print hello world. For running this program, you can see here a button, just click on it. It is showing some error. I will sort that out. Okay, the problem was the interpreter was not installed, so I have to install that. I will show you how to install that. So this is the Python's official website, python.org. I will put this link in description. You can download from there. It is downloading. Till then wait. After downloading, click on the downloaded file. And go with upgrade now. This is my local system path, so I will go with that. It is installing. Here you can see that the installation has completed. So now we have to set the part in the Python interpreter. After adding your interpreter, here your program is ready to run. Just click on the run button, or you can just right click on the screen and you can see here run hello, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus F10. Here our program has run and the output is here hello world. So I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. Subscribe my channel for more technical and interesting videos. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you.